Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make watermelon sea moss juice. First, let's prepare the sea moss. Begin by thoroughly rinsing about 1 cup of dried sea moss under cool, running water to remove any debris. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a bowl and cover it with 4 cups of filtered water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight to rehydrate fully. Finally, blend the rehydrated sea moss with 1 cup of fresh water until it forms a smooth gel. Now let's get our watermelon ready. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh watermelon, cut into small, easy-to-blend cubes. Make sure to remove any seeds to ensure your juice is perfectly smooth and enjoyable. Once your watermelon is prepped, simply add all the cubes directly into your blender. This step is quick and sets us up for the next delicious stage of our juice-making process. With both components ready, it's time to combine them. Carefully pour the sea moss gel you prepared earlier into the blender with your watermelon cubes. For a brighter, more refreshing taste, consider adding about 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Now, secure the lid and blend everything together on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a consistent, vibrant color. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Your delicious watermelon sea moss juice is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the vibrant juice into your favorite glasses. For the freshest taste and maximum nutritional benefits, it's best to serve it immediately. If you have any leftover juice, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days, so you can savor it later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.